Hello friends, myself Mahek Shah. Welcome back to Spider e-learning. Today we discuss about the intraday straddle strategy. Before 2 months I created intraday straddle strategy video in Hindi language. Many people are liking this video. So many client and prospect require and giving a feedback to please make this video in English language. So many people are understand. Those who are not understand in Hindi, so they can also learn. So today we decide to make this video in English language. So those who are not understand Hindi very well, they can also learn from this video. Okay, so let's start this video. This is a Nifty cash market chart. This graph is 5 minutes intraday chart. Now we created a intraday short straddle strategy. Okay, so first, how to select the strike price if I am doing a short straddle. Okay, so how we select the strike price? So today the 6th May, Nifty cash open around 14,668.35 and first 5 minute close around 14,646.20. So we select 14,700 strike price. Why we choose 14,700? Because Nifty opened around 14,668, means it's near the 700 strike price. That's why we select 14,700 strike price. If Nifty open around 14,610 and close around 14,635 or 640, so we can select 14,600 strike price. Okay, so 6th May 2021 in Thursday, we select 14,700 straddle intraday strategy. Here this is a one study that it's called a OTC, price close of other script. I click on the OTC, I click on select button. Here I select the Nifty, I select instrument type call, select expiry 6th May. Here I choose a strike price of 14,700, click on OK, modify. So this green line indicates 14,700 call options. Again I click on OTC, click on select underlying is Nifty, instrument type is future, expiry is 6th May, select 14,700 strike price, click on OK, click on modify. So this red line indicates 14,700 put options. This green line indicates 14,700 call options. Current price it's shown in right side window. This red line indicates 14,700 put options. Its current market price is shown here. Now again I add two more study. This green line indicates sum of call options plus sum of put options, means 14,700 call options plus 14,700 put options. This green line indicates a sum of two data series of options. This pink line is my stop loss line. Now how can take entry in intraday short straddle? First we wait for the first 5 minutes to decide the strike price. After decide the strike price, we can take entry between 921 to 925. So at that time, this is first 5 minutes candle. At that time, total premium of 103.95. It's shown here, indicates SU. SU means sum of call options plus put options. So in first 5 minutes, total premium of 103.95, we can take entry around between the 921 to 925. So around 106 we can take an entry. So we short 14,700 call options and 14,700 put options. Now what is our stop loss? So this pink line indicates our stop loss line. It is a trail stop loss, it is not a fixed stop loss. Okay, so when we take an entry, the stop loss indicates a 151.87. When market moving up and down gradually, after the few minutes or a few hours, total premium of decreases and stop loss also decreases. We wait until our green line is crossing the pink line upward. We wait until our green line is crossing the pink line upward. If it is happen in 5 minutes chart, we can exit our position. Okay, so aroundly 11:25, once our position is exited aroundly 105, but immediately in next 5 minutes again the short sell means green line is below the pink line, so again we created a short position. If we exit here, we again created a short position here. We wait until the crossover happen. Okay, so after the market goes up and down, our premium is decreases and our stop loss also trail. Okay, so we wait whenever this green line is crossing the pink line upward, we will exit from our trade. But today our green line is not crossing the pink line, so we will exit trade aroundly 320, because this is an intraday strategy. We cannot carry forward the position, so we exit the position at 320 because the crossover is not happen. So aroundly 320 price is trading around 20.55 paisa, so we will exit from our intraday position. I show the example of the 6th May. Now one day before means in 5th May what happened, again we discuss. Let's say 5th May Nifty open around 14,604 and close first 5-minute closing around 14,576. So our strike price should be 14,600 call and 14,600 put. First we decide the strike price. After we decide the strike price, we change the strike price from the chart in chart menu. Okay, I click on OTC, again click on select button. In underlying value I select Nifty, instrument I select call options, already expiry selected 6th May. Okay, now I select 14,600, click on OK, click on modify. So this green line indicates 14,600. Again I click on OTC, I click on select put 14,600, modify. So this green line is 14,600 put options, this red line 14,600, sorry, this green line indicates 14,600 call options, this red line indicates 14,600 put options. Below I add two study. The green line is indicate the sum of two data series, sum of call and put, and this pink line is our stop loss. Simple, as I said, after the first 5 minutes I take entry between 9:21 to 9:25. Why I'm shooting, I should tell the time between 9:21 to 9:25, because first 5 minutes we wait to settle the market and we select the strike price. After we select the strike price, we add in the chart menu, we add in software, then we take a decision. So between 9:21 to 9:25 we take a entry. At that time around total premium of call and put is around 200 rupees and our stop loss showing around 220. Okay, so after take a entry we moved further, price also decreasing and stop loss also decreasing. So we wait until this green line is crossing the pink line upward, but our green line is not crossing the pink line upward. Here is a nearest point but not crossing. I show you this before zoom. Okay, here almost crossing happen but it not cross and again price falling. Okay, so we exited our trade around 3:20 because the crossover is not happen. So in Wednesday and Thursday, if we take a entry, we get a good return in straddle chart, because aroundly we have Excel, so I can show the my Excel also that I regularly updated. So I show the 5th April. Now we check on Tuesday also. Why I am showing the past data? Because first select the strike price is most important. Okay, so we can check a Tuesday data also. Strike price is around 14,000. Nifty open around 14,687, closing 14,697. We show first 5 minute open and close. Okay, so in Tuesday 14,700 is the strike price. So I change the strike price Nifty 14,700 call options and 14,700 put options. Okay, as I said, we can take an entry between 921 to 925. So first for 229 is our sum of 14,700 call and put. Whenever this green line is crossing the pink line upward, we exit the trade. So if we make a position around it 229 or 230, say for example in here aroundly 233, my exit point is there. So we directly exit nearest the 3 point of loss. Okay, so we exit from this trade and book our loss. Okay, okay friends, this is a Tuesday data. I show Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. I show the 3 days past data. Okay, now I show my Excel that we regularly traded and updated, because before the 2 months we started the strategy. In options we have not backed data. Okay, this is the month of May expiry. Okay, starting the May expiry we regularly updated. This is a date, this is a strike price, this is entry of call and put, the entry of sum, exit sum, PNL means profit and loss point, day PNL. So week completed today. So last, this is a Friday to Thursday week. Okay, so my first week is completed, aroundly 169 point I get, and profit aroundly per lot. This calculation profit calculated per lot 12,675. If I check April month expiry, okay, April month expiry aroundly 118 point we get and around profit at 8,850. Here we saw no trade in April expiry. We in 3 day we cannot post the trade. Why? Because the risk reward ratio is not favorable, because our stop loss is almost double from the entry point. So that's why we cannot take an entry. March month is good for us. Aroundly 349 point is collected and around 26,000 rupees earned in month in per lot. So if I am doing this strategy and follow continuously, I can earn minimum 15 to 20,000 per month easily. We will discuss our trade in our Telegram channel also. So if you would like to join our Telegram channel, in description box I put my link. You add and show our trade that we discuss as per the system given, not from manually, but the system given entry point, the system given exit point. So you can join our Telegram channel, so you can easily understand how the strategy is working. Hope you would like our video and our efforts. If you have any suggestion, please write us in comment box. You can call me directly on given below number. If you like this video, please click on like button, And please share this video as much as possible so many people is easily learning. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching the video. Have a good day.